What's going on, everybody? Product Probes back at you with another quick little review right here. And today we're doing the TF835. This is the PD, the police version of it. Now, I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I guess maybe I left this LED light on, but it's not as strong as it should be, but I figured, heck, I'll go ahead and do the review on it. But let's go ahead and start with it closed real quick, if I can get this thing to focus right. Right down here you have your glass breaker, your window breaker right there, and your seatbelt cutter. Moving on down, you have a large trigger right there, so it's going to be easy to find. Right here you have a LED light, which you'll have to unscrew, remove the little piece of paper in it, and then screw the thing back on. As you can see, it will cut on just like that. And what I've been doing is you can push it too. So if I had it straight ahead like this, I can just push down on it. Well, I used to could. My batteries. There it goes. Yeah, my batteries are down in this thing, guys. Sorry about that. But you get the idea that you can just have it barely off right there, which is probably why it ended up dying on me. So, yeah, that's not going to work for me right here. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, guys, the LED light, it runs up to about a 90 degree right there, so you can actually use this thing as a flashlight. Flipping it over, the belt clip on it seems to be pretty beefy. We did a full review, with the sharpness and things like this a while back on our other channel, Product Probes, and we show you what it looks like in the pocket. We test the sharpness and things like that. But right here you have the trigger, which is large, which I already mentioned. Now you have oh yeah, it's a dual thumb stud. So let's see how that does. Oh yeah, even with the dual thumb studs, this thing, bam, you might even have to use the trigger. Now, I'll tell you, it's hard to get to that thumb stud because of that light, but let's just say that light was up. I was using it, and then I needed, for some reason, maybe just to be in a tactical stance, get that knife out, boom. It's a lot easier with that light out. So, thumb studs there. While I got the blade open, let me show you all this right here. Right up here, you have your thumb grooves right up here at the top. Standard drop point blade, but you do have your half serration, half straight blade with the uptick right here. Again, nice dual thumb studs right there. The serration seems to be pretty sharp. For a cheaper knife like this, the blade isn't actually bad. I'm not sure how long it's going to hold the edge on it, but even with it closed like this, flip it around, even if you're in a defensive stance, I still think that you're good even with that light right there added to it. You basically turn it and you're ready to ride there. Now let's check out this trigger. Large trigger on it. Bam. It's just as fast as the thumb studs. I almost prefer the thumb studs if that light wasn't technically in the way. Ladder lock on it seems to be a little stiff, but I haven't really used the knife part too much on it. Bam, yeah. So let's try that one more time. Boom. There we go. Cut that light off again. Just be sure you cut this light off, because I ended up running it down, as you can see. But guys, that's it. Basically, just a quick review. This is the TF835 PD knife from Tac-Force. It's one of Amazon's, popular knives that they've got going on. Now, if you were to cut, hey, the thumb grooves up there are not too bad on the blade. No thumb ramp or anything. But guys, that's it. If you want to see a more in-depth review, again, just be sure to go check out Product Probes. It's our other channel that we have. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to see, how sharp this knife is, what it looks like in the pocket, and just more of an in-depth review. So guys, hope that helped if you're thinking about getting it. I'll see y'all in the next one.